Hi everyone and welcome to our market analysis videos here at Zenfinex. My name is Connor and I'm the Senior Market Analyst at the company, providing to you these daily videos on market commentary and also educational content. Now for today's video, I'm going to be giving an update on my last crude oil forecast for September. As always, I'm going to bring to you the latest news on the demand and the supply factors that have been influencing the price of this commodity. I'm then going to move on to the chart to check if anything has changed on the technical side. Okay, so what's changed on the fundamental side? So last time we spoke about cuts in supply, which would help the price. During yesterday's trading session, we actually found out that US crude oil stocks fell by a larger number than expected in the United States, which as we know is the world's largest oil consumer. And this has helped boost the price as well. And the main reason for this is Hurricane Ida. The impact it had on supply was a lot greater than many anticipated, and the production in the Gulf of Mexico region is saying that it might struggle to return to normal until the rain actually stops there as well. So these things are going to help boost the price. We still have the decision from the OPEC, who decided to raise output by 400,000 barrels per day between August and December, and traders are seeing this as a sign that prices might fall off, but I'm thinking maybe this has already been factored into the price already. And moving on to the demand factors, and it hasn't really been great reading. For the last 4 oil videos, I've been talking about the Delta variant cases, meaning that fuel demand outlook was looking weak. However, after a 3-month slide in global oil demand due to this, vaccine rollouts are set to power a rebound in oil demand. That's what the International Energy Agency said on Tuesday, and this is also helping to lift prices as well. And what's important really to focus on is if and when we do get the next wave of COVID, of maybe Delta variant cases, how severe is it going to be? We are approaching these winter months now, so I think it would be sensible to stay cautious here as things could change very quickly. Okay, let's have a look at the technical side, and to be honest, the outlook's looking a lot better than last time I've done this video on oil, because I mentioned that we had this slightly change of trend that was coming in, but I did mention how important this 61 level was, and if we were going to start to turn and drop to the downside and have this rebound off of the 50-day moving average that you see here. Now what's actually happened is, if we zoom back in, we see that this swing low down at 61, that held really nicely. So for me, I can't see the price ever fall into here, especially for the next few weeks. It would take something quite drastic for that to actually happen. But if I look onto... Hi guys, thank you for listening to this video. Just really quickly wanted to touch on a really exciting offer we have on the website. It's a limited time offer, and if you head over to zenfinex.co.uk, you will see the offer in front of you straight away. And this is that you can trade Forex on a standard account with raw spread plus 0 commission. And now Zenfinex is also an FCA and no dealing desk execution broker. If you are interested in this offer, you can get in touch with the team by clicking learn more, or you can simply go to open an account where you can start the application process. Where this market could go to, for anyone that's in any buying opportunities, then I see this market heading to at least this daily order block level. Excuse me. At least this daily order block level here, where we could actually look to sell the market from. We may get a situation where we have a run up to this order block, we have a bit of a bounce, maybe somewhere around a retest of the 50-day moving average, or the 100, or maybe even if this is an order block, we can continue here and then look to go higher and testing really this 76 level. If the demand factors are looking still encouraging, and we don't have this Delta variant clouding fuel outlook, especially for those winter months, then yeah, I could see this market going up and testing really this 76 level. So potentially another take profit to aim for as well. And if I look on the 4-hour chart, there was something I noticed when I was doing my analysis. Now, I think that if I actually hide these moving averages, because they're quite confusing, and we just have a clean chart, what I've noticed here is you have this price inefficiency, which I think the market could run all the way through. FVG, which is fair value gap. So you can see where the market dropped to the downside, but didn't actually recover yet, and the market hasn't been fully balanced. So this is why I see prices really being attracted up towards that mid 70 level before we have a drop down as well. And if you just have a quick check on the RSI indicator as well, you can see that we're starting to tick to the upside. If I zoom this down, maybe even into the 1 hour chart, we may get a situation where we can buy from a level that's down here, around the 70 level, a psychological retest, this order block entry. We need to see a break of structure here. So we need to see the market printing a new higher high. If it can do that, and I see no reason why this market can't just dip into these 70 levels, smash through that fair value gap and up towards our take profit around 72 as well. So for me, that's the outlook I'm seeing for oil at the moment. I'm actually interested in buying this market if we can get a nice retracement on something like the 1 hour or the 4 hour chart. But I am cautious that this market could actually just run through, and if I look on the 4 hour, just run through and break through this fair value gap and start testing these order blocks and potentially start making some new swing highs here, breaking that descending trend line that we can see coming into play now. As always, guys, make sure your notifications are turned on so you're not missing out on these videos that we're giving to you 3 times a week. We're doing them at the moment. We're looking to do some more for the positive reaction that we're getting from them. As always, like and subscribe to the channel as well and help boost our channel, and we do really appreciate it. I'm going to catch you all for the next video, which is going to be tomorrow on gold. But other than that, I hope everyone has a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.